Here's Premiere Pro 2020 and I have this text, and if I want to move that text, notice it's disappearing. So how to fix this problem? It's disappearing on the top, bottom, left and right side. To fix the problem, let's go here to Effect Controls. We have these tabs up here. So on Effect Controls, go to Motion, open it up, and it has a scale. That one is reduced to 50. So reset that scale at motion with this arrow. It went back to 100 and it got bigger. Okay, and we can reset the position also, because that is not in the center either. You can see it's not in the corner, so reset position. Okay, and if you want to reduce the size of the text, don't use the scale from motion, but use it from text. Here's the text, and that also has a scale, and use that one to reduce the size. Okay, and if I click on that one, now it's not disappearing anywhere. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.